In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a cheaper ChatGPT subscription. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right into how you can make the most of your subscription without breaking the bank. So if you're looking to secure a ChatGPT subscription on the cheaper side in 2026, your first step is to look at the official pricing options. OpenAI often offers different pricing tiers depending on your region, and they may even have specific options based on eligibility, which can affect what you pay. Now stick with me as I'll guide you through some straightforward ways to save money while ensuring you get the features you actually need. One of the most budget-friendly options available is what's commonly referred to as ChatGPT Go, which is the mid-tier plan. This is perfect for those who appreciate the capabilities beyond the free version, but aren't looking to take the plunge on the premium plan right away. The mid-tier plan provides an ideal balance, giving you access to more advanced tools and more generous usage without the hefty price tag of the upper-tier subscriptions. To kick things off, why don't you open your browser and navigate to chatgpt.com/signup. It's important to take a moment to explore the subscription options available specifically for your country. Pricing can differ significantly from one region to another, so make sure to rely on the live data you see on the screen rather than any older information you might find in previous videos or articles. Once you're on the subscription page, check if ChatGPT Go is available to you. Take a few minutes to compare its included features against those of the more expensive plans. Pay attention to details like monthly cost, message limits, upload options, and any image generation features that you might find useful. If you primarily require the tool for chatting, doing some research, or handling the occasional file upload, you might find that the lower tier option meets your needs perfectly. Now, while you're at it, don't overlook potential regional programs or educational offers that could also help you save a bit more money. For instance, if you're a student and happen to be verified, there are often credits available for API or other development purposes. In places like the US or Canada, university-related credits can add value to your subscription, especially if you're utilizing ChatGPT for coding assignments or school projects that involve the API. However, it's crucial that you check the official requirements for these perks and ensure your verification process is complete before assuming eligibility. Always double-check to avoid any surprises later on. A smart practice is to consistently compare the monthly price against how you're actually using the service. If you find that you're only accessing premium features sporadically, consider switching to a lower-cost plan that fulfills your everyday needs. Many users overlook this simple strategy. Choosing the lowest plan that still provides the tools you require can often make a significant difference in what you end up paying. Also, make sure to keep an eye on temporary promotions, changes in regional pricing, or any new plans that OpenAI may introduce from time to time. Subscription services tend to evolve, and the plan that was absent last month could become available in your account down the road. Remember to always log in with the correct account and check the billing page frequently, revisiting plan details before you make any commitments. Lastly, while it may be tempting, I advise against seeking out elusive third-party sellers or using unofficial discount codes claiming to offer remarkable savings. Often, these come with risks or may not be valid at all. For the safest experience, always rely on the official OpenAI website and the pricing options presented in your account. So there you have it. To summarize, first, check the official subscription page, then compare the mid-tier option. Next, explore any regional or educational offers. And finally, select the most affordable plan that covers your needs adequately. This way, you can enjoy the perks of ChatGPT without overpaying. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and hit that subscribe button for more tutorials, tips, and exciting updates on AI tools. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.